In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subdomain using the hPanel dashboard. We'll walk through the process step by step to make it as smooth and understandable as possible. First, let's start by navigating to where everything begins on the hPanel dashboard. If you're already logged into your hosting account, you should see a variety of options. What you want to focus on are the domain settings. As you look across the dashboard, find and click on Domains. This is where you'll manage all domain-related settings, including our focus of the day, subdomains. Once you're in the domain section, it's time to locate subdomains. This typically comes under your domain management settings. Clicking on subdomains will take you to a new screen where we can start the process of setting one up. Now, let's talk about the purpose of creating a subdomain before we jump into it. Subdomains are great for organizing different parts of your website. For example, if you have a blog, an online store, or a member section, creating a subdomain for each can be incredibly useful. Moving forward, within the subdomain section, you'll want to look for the option that allows you to create a new subdomain. On this page, you'll find a section labeled Create a New Subdomain. In this space, you have the opportunity to define what your subdomain will be called. It's important to think carefully about this name as it becomes part of your website's address. Try to make it relevant to the section or feature you're highlighting. Continuing on, if you want more control over the organization of your files, you'll find an option to designate a specific folder for your new subdomain. This option is the Custom Folder for Subdomain checkbox. By selecting this, you can organize files and content specific to your subdomain into a folder, making management easier. Enter a folder name that is clear and organized. It could reflect the purpose of your subdomain, much like naming the subdomain itself. After you've entered both your chosen subdomain name and, if desired, a custom folder name, you have reached the final step. All that's left to do is click the Create button. And just like that, the system will process your request, and your new subdomain will be up and ready for use. Congratulations! You've successfully created a subdomain using hPanel. Remember, this is a great way to segment different parts of your site and improve site management. If you need to revisit any settings or create additional subdomains, now you're well equipped to do so. Thanks for joining us on this brief journey through setting up a subdomain. We hope you find this guide helpful, and feel free to check out more videos for further tips and insights into optimizing your web experience.